Hey, welcome to this new tutorial. Sorry in advance for the low video quality. Today we're going to fix the live link connection issue in Unreal. If you're seeing a yellow warning triangle, this might be the reason you're having trouble too. First of all, I try to connect my device to live link. If you open the app or enter the IP address, it should show up here and you can connect to it. Here we go. I'm going to try connecting now. Select your device first and connect by clicking on connect. You can also give it a name in the subject name field at optional. When you connect and see the yellow triangle, there may be several reasons. VPN, application not open, and blocked IP. In my case, the issue was caused by ESET blocking my device's IP address. It might be the same for you too, especially if you're using ESET or any similar software, or even the Windows firewall might be blocking the IP. Alright, let's open ESET. Go to Setup, then select Internet Protection and click on Resolved Blocked Communication. Here you'll see the Unreal Engine logo. Just click on Unblock. That's all you need to do. And here we go. The yellow warning triangle disappears and a green check mark appears instead. Now let's go test it. It might not be blocked by ESET for you, or you might not even have it. That's fine. It's better to check your firewall rules. I didn't include a tutorial on that here, but you can search online for how to whitelist your IP so it doesn't get blocked. And I'll be uploading another video soon on the channel, testing MetaHuman on Unreal Engine 5.6 with an Android device, showing its amazing performance. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to ask your questions in the comments below.